If you're looking for a compact and easy-to-use coffee machine, Anita fits you perfectly. Equipped with a built-in coffee grinder, it gives you all in a small size. Find out what makes this lead product so successful. Let's take a closer look at this coffee machine. Entirely made of stainless steel, Anita is equipped with a built-in coffee grinder and tamper. Its multi-directional wand allows you to froth milk and deliver hot water via the side knob. Through the control panel, you can set all the parameters to obtain a great coffee. Everything is in your hands. With Anita, you can easily monitor the water level in the tank through the front and side windows. Once you switch on Anita coffee machine, it only takes a few minutes for it to be ready. Hook the filter holder to the body of the machine during the warm-up phase. This helps temperature consistency up to the coffee cup. Let's dive in and see how to brew a good coffee. Look at the bean hopper. It features a numeric scale to adjust the grinding degree. To avoid the burns to get ruined, simply rotate the knob while the grinding is running. Always make a first test dose to obtain impeccable results each time. Thanks to the Thermo PID display, you can easily adjust the extraction temperature. This allows you to brew at the right temperature with any coffee blends. When the display shows T1, use the buttons to modify it, wait for 3 seconds, and the temperature is set. The perfect coffee cup is a balance of several key elements, from grinding to the coffee preparation. To obtain exceptional results before brewing your coffee, do a purge to reach the correct temperature. Also, carefully choose the quality and quantity of the blend to get an excellent cup. We suggest using freshly ground coffee to obtain the best results. To start grinding, use the filter holder to press the grinder button. Once you get the quantity of coffee you like, simply release the button. To start the coffee extraction, once the selection lever switch is on coffee function, just lift up the delivery lever switch. You can check the coffee pressure via the manometer. Pull the delivery lever switch to stop brewing and enjoy your cup of coffee. Always remove the coffee puck from the filter holder after the extraction. Shall we talk about cappuccino? Thanks to the Thermo PID display, you can set the steam temperature. When the display shows T2, use the 2 buttons to choose it, wait for 3 seconds, and the steam temperature is set. Once you select steam function, the display shows STE in the set temperature. Once the light is on, turn the knob to deliver steam. We recommend turning it for a few seconds before frothing milk to eliminate any possible water drops. And if you need hot water to prepare tea, infusions, or American coffee, simply move the selection lever switch to the hot water symbol and lift up the delivery lever switch. The display will show the temperature and the light will turn on. Rotate the knob clockwise to deliver hot water. When you want to stop, simply turn the knob counterclockwise and pull both lever switches. The drip tray can be easily removed for clearing operations. When you're done using the coffee machine, turn it off. Anita can satisfy your design cravings. Indeed, it can be customized with the Wire Grates upgrade kit for a new look. Made of stainless steel, they reach the tray edges and their shape avoids water and coffee residues due to the grinding and the extraction. Feel the performance already? Get ready to live quality coffee experiences with Anita.